Hey guys, RD here from ProTraders Network, and at this point we have the XRP-USD daily chart in front of us, and also known as Ripple. We're going to take a look at what has happened in the last couple of days and what we can expect moving forward. Okay, let me just draw some points here to just remind you guys that we have actually broken above this particular slanting line, and at this point price has actually tested 1.34 before actually moving into this zigzag pattern. Alright, so what we have here right now is a descending triangle. Alright, this is the descending triangle, and this is a consolidation pattern. And if this is in fact an A move, then we are seeing a B move before a C move to the upside, right? So, but first of all, we need to actually see price breaking above this particular slanting resistance, and once we have it broken above here, we might see price moving up to retest the first resistance at 1.65 and potentially the next resistance at near the all-time highs of 188, 190. All right, however guys, this particular we need to see that the support level, which is at this point here, being retained. If it, let's say we see price actually moving below this particular level, we might expect price to actually retest this 200 moving average, which is depicted in this purple line, and this might bring some support from the buyers. But if this actually failed to provide support and price move towards the support line of the 0.53, and if it breaks and it goes lower, then basically we have a situation which calls for a more bearish stance, right? However, at this point guys, I do not see this happening at the moment, and what I see is that price is being supported quite strongly at this point at this 1.05 level, and at this point we are waiting. Basically we need to wait for price to actually break above the slanting line to retest the higher levels, right? And that is more of a possibility than a downward movement, but anything can happen in the market, and I do not have a crystal ball, and so we need to actually watch out for key levels to hold and certain levels to be broken. Alright guys, so that is Ripple on the daily time frame, and we might actually use the Fibonacci tool to actually help us also actually forecast where price might go to if it actually breaks to the upside, right? So as you can see, the 1.618 level actually lines up well with the resistance point here, which is near the highs that was set previously on the 14th of April. So if price were actually to maintain momentum and regain its strong momentum, we might see price going up to retest the all-time highs before it actually go up higher, and we can expect price to actually retrace from here before and make a cup and handle pattern. Okay, let me draw that again, a cup and handle pattern before it can retest highs beyond the all-time high. But before it reaches there guys, before it reaches these highs, I'm not going to actually draw where price might go if it breaks this level. We'll wait for it to reach here, and let's say and see whether we get the retracement that we are actually waiting for, because if there is a retracement once it reaches these levels, I'm sure it will be good for you guys to actually consider putting in some buy options, some buy trades at this level, right? So but anyway, this is not financial advice, this is more of educational and also ad purposes, as well as just for my sharing with you guys, right? So but this is things that that may happen in the future, so let's see what happens next in XRP in a couple of days, and hopefully I'll give you guys an update. And thanks so much for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and hope to see you in our next video. Thank you so much guys.